Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step a foolproof way to apply eyelashes. False eyelashes are so tricky sometimes, so I'm really excited to show you my secret techniques to getting your lashes on easily, quickly, and to have them stay on and stay in place until you decide it's time to take them off. Let's get started. For today's tutorial, the products that you will need are some lashes. Today I'm going to use the Ardell Natural, and you will need lash glue. I'm using Duo, and you will need a pair of tweezers. So first thing is taking the lash off. I like to take the tweezer and just peel the corner. And once you have it off of the container, I like to just work it like this. And this kind of helps to loosen up that glue so that it's not just such a straight line when you apply it. You grab the lashes right in the center, and this is how I apply glue. You just need a tiny little bit of glue. So once you get that little bubble, and you want to put the lid back on your glue. So then what you're going to do is you're going to just wait a little bit until this glue becomes tacky, because right now it's too wet for you to apply this and it's just going to slide around. So you need this to be a little bit tacky so that it will stick in place when you apply it. So just a few seconds to wait for this to dry. As you can see, I'm going to take this side right here, which is the shorter side of the lashes, and that's going to be my inner corner, and the longer lashes here on this end are going to be at the end of my eye. So what you want to do is you want to take this horizontal and go right into the center of your eye and lay them as close as possible onto your lashes. And what you're going to do is just slide those right into your lash line, right above your lash line. My eyes are gonna start watering. So you just press those down onto your waterline, and you can grab them and just pull them in with your natural lashes. Now my trick that I swear by, and I have done this for so many years, is I will take the glue, this end, and I just go right in between the lashes and push them into my lash line, all the way in. And that really just helps to connect them into my lashes and make sure that they are on my lash line. I've seen so many eyelash tools, and I just use this. I think that it works perfectly. I can even go like up on top and press them in. Now as you can see, the glue is, you can still kind of see it, it's white, but it dries clear. So once this dries, you won't see any of that glue at all. You don't want your lashes to be too far over. You don't want them to exceed your natural lashes, and you don't want them to be too close, because then you'll see them poking. You'll start to see that fake sticky lash line kind of go off. And sometimes my eyes are really large, and sometimes I have the hardest time with this corner sticking down and staying down. So I have to make sure that I get enough glue in that inner corner that they really adhere and stay there. Otherwise it's gonna like fly off like a butterfly. So you just want to make sure that you don't go too far into your inner corner here, or it will look unnatural and you'll start to see that lash flick off eventually. Another tip is that you want to make sure that they are laying on your lash line and they're not going up like a fan or down. So they're really just laying horizontal right on top of your lashes. They're not going up, they're not facing down, they're just laying right on top of your own natural lash line. So once this is dried, these are going to stay on here until I take them off. This glue is fantastic. I've always used Duo, and I really like these natural Ardell lashes because I feel like they don't look like too much. Sometimes you can't even tell that you have lashes on. So I really like that look. And that's pretty much it. So it's that simple. It takes a lot of practice, and of course you have your problem child. One eye is always more difficult than the other one. So don't think that you're the only one out there struggling. If you have to start over, just start over. Take it off, wipe the glue off, and do it again. Don't try to like put glue on and stick it back in. Just take it off and start over. Trust me, you're gonna mess up all your eyeshadow if you try to get glue in there and it's moving around. So hopefully that was helpful. If you do have any questions, leave the comments below. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for your support. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can see when new tutorials hit my channel. I love you, and I want you to have a beautiful, positive day. Take care.